friendly and do vocalize. Grim Grinning Ghosts come out to socialize.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
The parade is usually. I told you that I got.
Oh yes, no flash pictures, please. Experience of restless. Our library is well stocked with priceless first editions of the ghost story and marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They call we have 999 happy haunts. But there's room for 1,000 any volunteers. Final arrangements may be made here. Every room has walked and hot and cold.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond, let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you land,
Haunts every
give us a
Jerusalem
hint.
and
I'm reading
beginning to materialize. They're assembling for it, the swing of expectation.
begin to vocalize. Grim Grinning Ghosts about to socialize.
Uh-oh, the ride stopped.
You have been selected as a guest at the hotel.
Wow, this is awkward. We stopped at the hitchhiking ghost area. I guess perfect time for footage, right? So, while we're here, I just want to take advantage and, let you guys know. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe. You're not required. I won't get hurt if you don't do it. But as everyone says on YouTube, it does help the channel. Oh, and it looks like we're moving. Could not have timed that better. Let's go.
We've been dying to have you.
Will follow you home.
Abracadabra.